Back to another episode of Cindy's Kitchen. We're right back again.
Hey.
To do our sweet plantain chips.
That's right. We've
So
never done
I took
it.
it out already.
Never done.
It's Michael's idea. So here we go with the cutting.
That's right.
Right? You like that sound? It goes like that.
That's right.
Yeah. Oh, guys, I was gonna tell you guys not to forget to press the notification button because you see, I came right back to do this.
That's right.
And when I'm like this, that I'm anxious and stressed out for no reason at all, I don't know where that comes from, I get like this. I do spontaneous things. Good things, thank God, not bad things, but always good things. I like to cook or clean a lot or just stay busy. Go to the gym, exercise.
Or video recipes.
You know, or do video recipes. And if I'm not doing this, then I'm reading the Bible. Yes, I do read the Bible too. But anyways, let's continue with this.
All right.
So these are going to be the sweet ones. See how thin they are?
Sweet plantain, sweet
'Cause
plantain.
If you find the sweet plantain, the fried plantain chips in the supermarket,
Yeah.
you will see that right next to them,
They're very
sometimes
expensive.
they have the sweet ones. Yeah, they're like $5-6. That's here in Austin. The sweet ones are more expensive because they really don't make that many as much as the green ones, you know. So the sweet ones, they make a lot. Michael, you're gonna get burned, Papa.
Oh no,
Okay,
I'm
now
good,
I'm gonna
Mom.
put this on high now because we're almost done. We're almost gonna be putting them in.
That's right.
So here we go. So the sweet ones are the sweet ones. What we're gonna do with the sweet ones? Hold on a second. Oh, you washed that for me?
Of course I did.
No, let me put this here. Oh, you didn't eat these, Mike?
Oh, not yet.
Okay. Just gonna.
If you haven't seen our last video recipe, go check it out now.
I know, but wait. Just gotta rinse this off. So like I said, so you put them in your hot oil like this, you know, and when they're nice and crispy, you know, I don't want to put it all the way on high because you don't want to like get them all brown and then the little bit of kind of like plátano skin or meat that you have inside to be raw, like it didn't cook. You know
That's
what I'm
right.
saying? So exactly. So we want to make sure that these are really nice. I can't smell them yet. Real nice and crispy, and you will see. And then we'll take them out. I'm telling you right now why those are doing that. I'm gonna cut the other
Beautiful.
plátano. If you want to come here, Mike, for a second.
Yes.
And you take. This is what you do. You cut, and because you want to go. When you cut, you want to go and you see, I kind of like cut it a little bit too deep, but it doesn't matter. So you see what happened?
Cut
But
too
it doesn't
deep,
matter.
cut
And
too
what you want to
deep.
do, you want to take this off without ripping the plátano.
That's right.
And then, like I said, you want to take whatever skin, meat, you know, from the skin from the outside skin that is, you know,
Yeah, you don't wanna poison
perpetrating-
yourself.
Exactly. So, and then a lot of people they cut them like that round. I like to cut them like this
Sideways.
because they look nicer. Be careful, Michael. You can burn yourself.
Burn it up, burn it up.
Oh, this one is too thick.
Ah, it's okay, Mom. I'm a professional. Don't try this at home if you do not know how to cook.
No, you don't want to do that.
Yeah, you
Just
definitely don't.
Just like Michael said.
You got a mom or a dad that can teach you.
So you do that.
Do that.
Hold on, now let's move these. You see how they're getting nice and crispy?
Crispy mom, crispy mom.
See that?
Yeah.
Oh,
This looks so good.
delicious. We can do like a sauce, like with
A mayo sauce?
but you gotta put like garlic. It's
A mayo
garlic,
lime sauce.
Mayonnaise and lime
Yeah.
sauce, salt, pepper.
Yeah.
And what else did I say? A little bit of garlic
Yeah.
powder you put inside there. You know, and it's nice and thing. And then you gotta put some kind of like vinaigrette, like some kind of like that sour. What do you call that? You wanna break vinegar or pickle water that's tangy, like that tangy.
That tang.
Well, that's what's gonna
sour.
break that. The sour is what's gonna break the mayonnaise.
The sweet.
With the salt and the lime and the pepper, and you're gonna put a little bit of olive oil.
That's
you know?
right.
But we don't have olive oil. Then olive oil actually gives it a kick. So here we go. Okay, Michael, hold on. And give me this. Yeah. Sorry. Oh, you have your glasses there.
Yes.
Okay, Michael. Okay, so then we're gonna put them here like that.
All right.
I want to make the rest of them. Okay?
Yeah.
So I want people to see, you know? Right, Mike?
That's right.
And we're going to do the same thing again, you guys. See? I like to separate them before I put them in, right? Because they get you together, right, Mike?
That's right.
See? And now let me keep on putting more plátanos in, like that. So it doesn't matter, you know what, I like to put them in like this because if you put them all together, they kind of like tend to stick on top of another, and you don't want that. You want to like separate them so they can all cook. Each piece, you want them to cook real nice and crispy, right, Mike?
That's right.
So I'm gonna make this other one. Let me put it on 8. I'm gonna turn them because it was pretty hot, the oil, when we first put them in. So you see how they kind of like want to stick together?
That's right.
Yeah. Plantain chips, they have that tendency of doing that, but it doesn't matter. It's so good. These are gonna be delicious, Michael. You know what we're gonna put? So we're gonna put salt and we're gonna put garlic.
That's right.
Right?
Which are over here.
These are gonna be delicious, I'm telling you right now.
That's right.
You gotta have like different stuff to eat. I'm one of those people that I get tired of eating, like, you know, Michael, you eating my plátanos, Michael? You can't eat them yet.
No, okay.
Okay, don't touch
I
it.
thought I got a
Just wait,
sneak peek.
because they're almost done. When I take those out, then, you know, we'll just, and then this other one, I'll put him on while we like let everybody know not to forget to subscribe and to, you know, look us up on Facebook, on
Follow us on
Instagram,
Instagram, Twitter, Tumblr,
exactly,
Patreon,
Google
We're
Plus, everywhere.
Everywhere,
And also,
everywhere.
if you guys need any dog food for your little animals, cats and dogs, don't forget to go to lifesabundance.com/for-all. That will take you straight to the
Link in the description
Just
down
go
below. Check it out,
exactly.
guys.
And just click on it, and that will take you directly to our website.
That's right.
And there you'll find all the instructions. It'll talk to you about how good the food is, why it is so good, because it's all organic, actually.
That's right.
You know, and our food is made from the leftovers of the thing. You know how they make dog food?
Lamb, pigs, cows,
with the
but the
leftovers
pure
of
protein,
all the
guys,
meat,
that your animals
exactly.
actually need. Not all
It's
these fillers,
protein. No, you don't.
no additives,
Yeah,
these
they
artificial
get sick.
colors for little puppies.
Yeah, no.
Don't
You
do that
need
to
all
your
that,
dog.
no.
Click
My
that
dogs
link down
can't eat
below.
any of that because they go to the bathroom and then I gotta take them to the vet.
That's right.
And I don't have a vet insurance, so you know I gotta pay it out of my pocket.
That's right.
I mean, you know, it's a lot. Look how pretty that looks.
So
Isn't that look
pretty, so pretty.
And you guys,
just like you, Mom.
Look, this is the best snack or munchie for the munchers out there. You know,
Oh,
this is a good
yeah.
food for them, because you have everybody does what they want to do.
Munchie time,
And there's,
munchie
well,
time.
people when people drink beer or drink,
Yeah,
you get the munchies when
Yeah.
you eat. Yes or no?
very true.
When you drink, when you have a beer, whatever, and you have too many beers, and you want something to eat. You want a burger, you want some French fries.
That's right.
You want something to snack on.
Snack
You know?
time,
Or
snack
something that is
time.
nice and delicious. Some chicken wings, you know.
Or like these plantain chips.
Exactly. So, these plantains, you get 4 plátanos in the supermarket. Now, these plátanos are 60 cents a piece. I remember when I used to get 10 plátanos for $1. Not too long ago. I'm talking about maybe like 6, 7 years ago. Not even 10. I'm telling you right now. I'm not lying. But come here, Michael. So this is garlic.
That's right.
And what you do, I put it, you see this kind of like a strainer, and you see the oil in the bottom? You
Yeah.
don't want that grease.
Any
on your
excess
plátano.
grease that you have
Exactly.
or oil.
So if you don't have one of these, I insist, go to the dollar store, buy yourself one.
A strainer.
It can be a plastic one, a strainer. But when you fry stuff, chicken or whatever, you do want to strain. Now, we shook it like that. Now we want to put on the other side.
Shake it up, shake
And
it
now we're
up.
going to add salt. Excuse me, Michael.
All right.
Can you back up, man? Michael on top of me.
Back
Smack
it
him
up, back it
around
up.
doing that. Oh, I want to show people. Hold on, guys. I want you guys. Hold on, Michael.
Oh,
I'm going to decorate for Halloween.
you are?
Yeah, so come on, Michael. I want to show everybody this. Here, come here.
All right.
Look at my new friend that I got, and I have him hanging from my fan in the living room. How's that? Isn't he cool?
That's right, for Halloween.
Yeah. That's
Woo!
nice. So we're going to be
He's
decorating.
spinning.
So, okay, so after you put both the salt and the pepper, sorry about that. When I get anxious, I do stuff like that, people. So anyway, okay, here's your plantain chips. Oh my God. They are my delicious. Mira, come here. Hey, look,
Oh, wait,
right here.
I gotta take a beautiful picture.
Wow. Let me eat right now.
How's that taste?
Nice and crunchy.
Let me get some.
Go ahead. So that's it, folks. Thanks for watching. Practice at home. If
Looks
you don't
like a
have
chip.
Experience, yeah. If you don't have experience, look how pretty.
Wow.
And crispy. Look at that. And the way it sounds. If you don't have experience, like I have told you guys before, put your stuff in the back burner. Don't put it in the front because you don't want to burn yourself. Okay. So with that, I'm gonna let you guys go. Thanks for watching. Enjoy your plátano and have a nice day. Don't dip it back.